a short summary of our Improvers Solo Jive practice routine number 4. So let me get the paperwork. We actually taught this in our class on Monday the 23rd of May 22. So if you're in my full video library, you can see the full class. Remember, it's combined with slow foxtrot. We do slow foxtrot and jive across the whole 90 minutes. Let me start short summary. I'm going to make it start by facing the front. Now, starting on the ladies or the followers timing, I'm going to have a little fall away, basic, back and triple step, triple step. I'm going to do a change of place from left to right and then I'll return. It's as though I'm going underneath the partner's arm. Back and triple step, back and triple step, triple step. I'm then going to do one American spin, back and triple step, triple step. I'm then going to do another fall away rock, 4 travelling chassis, and then into a little throwaway. So back and 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step, triple step. So that throwaway, I'm turning left. I'm then going to do 2 hip bumps. Whilst I'm here, I'm facing the back of the room, I appreciate that. Back and triple in, going out. Don't forget to lift that leg up. Triple in, going out. Come back, return from the hip bump, back and triple step, triple step. Now, stepping section. We started with the mooch. I'm going to face my right wall. Back and flick, flick, back and travel, back and flick, flick, back and travel. The next one is a little step sequence again. Back and triple, triple, quick, 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 chassis spring, flick, flick, back and change, flick, flick, back and change. We do the same thing again. Back step, triple, triple, quick, 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 chassis spring, flick, flick, back and change, flick, flick, back and change. Okay, so I'm just going to do that all over once more and a little bit quicker. Let me put that paperwork down here. So, 5, 6, 7, and back step, triple step, change of place, triple step, return, American spin. 4 travelling chassis, throwaway, 2 hip bumps, return from the hip bump, we mooch, travel, we mooch again, travel, 2 chassis, quick ones, triple spring, flick back, flick back will change, and then we're going the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, triple spring, flick, flick, back and change, flick, flick, back and change. Like I said, guys, just a very short summary so that we can keep a track of our little practice routines. If you're watching this in YouTube, any links that you need are below, and if you're watching this in my website, in the video library, then you should be able to see the rest of all the classes for slow foxtrot and jive in the players. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.